Hey dear friends, hope you are doing good. Today we will change the color of the portion in this photo that is beyond the wires. Let's get in. First I will copy the layer and then create a group. I will put the layer into the group and then I will make a selection into that photo that I want to mask out. I choose pen tool for selection. You can choose any tool that you like to select your object. As you know, the better selection always takes time, so I saved your time by skipping making this all selection. Take your time to make a better selection. To mask out this portion, I will add a layer mask to the group and then I will press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. You can see it now. Now select the copy layer and add hue and saturation. Play these handles so that you can choose the color you want to. Now I will add another layer for the vignette effect. I choose the gradient and in gradient I will choose the black color. In stylus choose radial and check the reverse. Then increase the slide where you are satisfied and hit OK. To the main image we can also add some effects, like I want to change its color a little bit, and we can always play with these handles. We can see this is before and this is after. Now let us zoom it, and the edges does not seem to be very much fine. We can always add some portions or remove some portions. While selecting our mask, we can use black and white to erase some portions or to add some portions in the mask respectively. Now it seems much better to me. I want it even more darker. By double clicking on the effect icon, and then I can change the slide. Now this is our final image, and in the same way we can add a black and white effect. Thanks for watching to our channel, and we hope you like our video. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.